Welcome to another Corona Tai Chi movement. Today I'd like to talk with you about one of the movements in Section 2 and Section 3 of Chung's form, which is called Repulse the Monkey. I really like this movement. One of the reasons is it can be done over and over. It is repeated on the right and the left. We do it 4 times in the form, but you can complete it as many times as you would like during your practice. It's a very relaxing movement. It has a big deep breath in, a nice relaxing exhale. So I'd like to demonstrate for that the movement for you now. The movement starts after one fist under elbow. The movement is completed 4 times in the form before we go on to the next movement, which is slantly flying or obliquely flying. You can see how it begins and ends in the same position, so you can do it in multiple times. Right now I'd like to go over some of the details of the movement. Alright, so first I'll do this facing you so you can see the hand positions. From here, it's a deep breath in, the palms are lifted up, and then as the hand comes across, you step back, shifting your weight back but bringing your hand forward. So you finish in this position. The weight is on the back foot, the opposite hand is forward, and the hand with the foot is down toward the hip. To do the next one, you simply breathe in, turn the waist, turn the palm over, and press up. Step back, shifting the weight, turning the waist, and again, bringing the palm forward that was back and is opposite the foot that is back. And again, deep breath in, and step and out. One more time, deep breath in, step and out. Now I'd like to show you the individual footwork, which is kind of important. So for that I'm going to point the camera down. As you can see from the footwork, the stance starts similar to a cat stance. And then you step back, making sure you do not cross over behind the front foot. And then the front foot pivots forward on the heel. Here you will see the Repulse the Monkey. From the side, the footwork steps back, turns the front foot forward. Again, step back, turn the front foot forward, making sure to pivot on your heel. Good health and long life.